This is an unboxing of MSI GTX 980 Gaming 4G. So let's get this box open. So first off, there's one 6-pin to 8-pin PCI Express power adapter, one DVI to VGA adapter, drivers CD, and quick user's guide, and MSI Gaming Series products brochure. And then the main product. It's of course in the anti-static bag. This is quite heavy GPU. It weighs around 1 kilogram. So there's two quite large fans at the bottom. There's no backplate on top. There's 3 display ports, 1 HDMI and 1 DVI. And there's the MSI LED logo, and you need 2 8-pin PCI Express power connectors to power this GPU.